kids, today we got new surprises! We're going to find new surprises. And this one is my brother, Ethan Morales. We got a lot of toys, yay! Now we're going to find toys. Yes. Kids, come with us to find the toys.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink.
Esperen chicos, me estoy poniendo mis chanclas. Hay que esperar al momento, no están tan emocionados. No pueden estar así porque eso no se hace. Tienen que esperarse la mujer con emocionados. Ya terminé.
Shots, yeah, straight to the face and I want
¡Wow! ¡Están Let's see who's buying another one. No kids. There's a toy here. And then no.
straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots.
Oh, come here. Kids, I found it. Look at it. It's an Optimus Prime, kids. I found another one, Cyborg. Ahora vamos a sacar los toys en el top. Whoa, kids, it's a transformer. Look, it's an Optimus Prime transformer. It can transform in a car, of course. Look at it. Now we need to open it, kids. Okay? Let's open it. Look, kids, I got Power Ranger and I got Cyborg. Now, let's open it, kids. I'm sorry. Wow, kids, it's so cool. Look at it. Kids, it is Optimus Prime. Look at it, it's bigger. Now we need to do the work. Look, that's the Yellow Ranger, Cyborg. Mira que esa aquí está el poquito. Ahora vamos a hacer una Oigan, paran de pelear, muchachos. Oigan, ustedes se pierden el dinero mucho. Mira que estos quieren atacar. Optimus Prime is stronger. Te pegarán los Power Rangers con Cyborg. Optimus Prime se deja pillar en los ojos. Ok, niños, ahora vamos a la piscina. Hola, niños, vamos para la piscina. Look, kids, we got a playground there. Yes, abierta, Daddy. Hey, I found the grasshopper. It's time to do this. Look, guys. He is okay. I wash it. He pooped.
Ew, seriously? That is so gross.
Ew. I'm sorry, Daddy, el grasshopper poop. De verdad. He is the poop. Now I'm washing it. For naughty the grasshoppers. Change. Okay, kids, bye bye. See you later.